like it stands for question and answer. So sometimes we feel like a Power BI is complicated. For me, I don't remember all the equations or the formula. So Power BI tries to make it very. So they introduced Power BI QA, which is a natural language feature. So here, if we ask question, it will give us the like the formulas, or it will generate the visualization for us. So it's very interactive and very useful tools. And it's like a very fastest way to learn as well the Power BI. So if you can say like a total units, show total units sales by per year and product manufacturer, it will create the visualization and show. So underneath here, like the Power BI QA, it uses the general natural language capabilities. So it understands, it's try to get the context out of your question and try to generate charts, graph, and results using the context from your question and then provide the result. So underneath it utilizes machine learning models and the natural language processing to interpret your query and then generate information based on your query and generate visualization and insights in real time. So like there's a lot of things going on underneath Power BI QA, but you can see the result in a stance. It's very fascinating features and very powerful features. So let's say how we can create a QA visuals in report Power BI, and I will show you hands-on as well. So very simple. First, as well, like load your data in Power BI, transform your data, prepare your data, then go to the report view. So first, you have to enable the QA. To enable the QA features, there's like a lot of ways. So one thing, you can search and find the QA button, or click the QA button in the Power ribbon. So that way you can find the QA. For me, it's very hard to find the Power QA. It took maybe around 5 minutes to find out the Power QA. So I found a shortcut way to find the Power QA button. So I'll show you. Then once you have the QA box open, then you will just type your question. And if it is makes sense, then it will generate the response. And when you type your question, based on your data, you loaded, it will suggest and show some autocomplete options. So that's also we'll see when we go there. So once it understand, get your query, you put the enter button, and then it will generate your a report or visualization. So what are the features of Power BI Q&A? So Power BI, I think this is like a very good and limitless options. It allows you to interact with Power BI with natural languages. You don't need any technical expertise or SQL knowledge. You can just write some conversational manner, and it will allow you to generate reports. And again, if you don't have the insights of the data or the domain, it has autocomplete things. So that way, if you use those autocomplete things, you will get more accurate and meaningful queries. Again, once you generate some visualization and query, and if you click on those visualization, you can see what is the underlying DAX query that it used to generate those things. So you can copy those DAX query and use those DAX query to generate the visualization again and again. So that way it can be reproducible. So, and the interpretation or the natural language processing is a very smart, because if you give any context, it understands the what is that, like a context of it using like a large language model semantics and other things. And also like if you like ask for any wrong things or something, it will show some error as well. So the like a smart interpretation. And what I really like is like it creates the visual instantly, and everything is formatted like x-axis, y-axis, and all detailed thing is formatted.